Okay. So what we were discussing about a system, and your computer is also a system. But before learning about the computer, you need to generally know about the systems. So what are these systems? I will give small note on that. Okay, what is system? What is a system? You can write down this with me. What is a system? What is a system? Yes. So let me make it darker, then you can see this very clearly. So otherwise, like it's let's go to the formatting, and I need to change the background color of this to a dark color. Okay, then you can see what is a system. Let's write down what is a system. A system is an interrelated set of components. There are a lot of components. Those are interrelated. Interrelated means related to each other. So let's say your lungs related to your nose, nose related to throat, throat related to the windpipe, windpipe related to lungs. All are related, interrelated set of components which work together, or which are working together. Which are working together to achieve a common goal. To achieve a common goal. You can say, for an example, respiratory system. Blood circulation system. Blood circulation system. School system. Even though it is large, you can say solar system is also a system. So the Sauragraha Mandala, solar system, is also a system. It is a bit large, larger than the other systems. Okay, actually your computer is also a system, right? Your computer is also a system. Computer system. What is computer system? It is also interrelated set of components, right? Working together to achieve common goal. This time you can say the goal. Achieve the goal of achieve the goal of what has happened? Achieve the goal, okay. Goal of electronic data processing. That is the common goal of the computer system. Electronically processing data. And it has 3 subsystems, and you can write them. That is called hardware, software, and liveware. Those are the 3 subsystems in the computer system. Okay, please write down and let me know once you are done. Right. Then, right, since we have learned about the computer system, there are 3 subsystems. Systems are having subsystems even, right? Small systems. Hardware. Hardware means the tangible things. Tangible means we can touch them. Physically, we can, okay. So can you touch your monitor, screen? Can you touch the monitor? Yes, right? Can you touch the speaker? No. Can you touch the speaker? Yes. Can you touch the mouse, keyboard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, those are called hardware. Hard means it's hard, right? You can touch. You can touch and tangible means can be touched and seen, right? Can be, if you don't know, please write it down. Can be touched and seen. Software. Software are intangible, but these are programs, right? For an example, what you see in the screen, you cannot touch them. The letters, these things, you cannot touch them. If it is touch screen, you can touch, but that is a screen, right? That is not this text. You can touch the screen, right? In your tab, you can touch the screen, but you cannot touch the letters. You cannot get the letters out from the screen. The screen you can't do that. Right? You can't remove the letters and take it out. You can't remove the software and take it out. But you can touch the screen. Screen is hardware, but this intangible other things, these letters, these things, graphics, these are called software. Liveware, that is us, right? The people who are using that, we call them liveware. Okay, so today what we have learned about the attributes of the computer and also the system, the computer system and subsystems of the computer, as well as we saw how intelligent the computer is, how we can use internet in intelligent way, right? Google is also having intelligent, so we saw that feature. Okay, next day I'll be teaching you more about the usages of the computer, where we can use this in hospitals, in schools, in engineering, in NASA like research organizations. Okay, let's see more usages of the computers in the next day. I think with that we can conclude this lesson, right? After discussing the usage, but there are a lot of usages, we can discuss them next week. Today is 23rd. I think next week we are having our leaves, because actually we will give 1 week leave day in the year end. Therefore, next week you don't have the classes, right? So you can enjoy that weekend. You can go for a trip, maybe, because that is the year end, no? So we will give only 1 day. After that, immediately after then, January 1st week, you have the lectures, right? But next week, this is 30th, you don't have. Okay, then let's meet you all in the new year. Till then, see you. See you all. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
Good night, sir.